So this is a loading technique to the side part of your shoulder. It goes roughly about here to right down and through here. You're going to need a ball. Then you're going to need something to lay your head on so your head stays in neutral. So I'm just resting the side part of my shoulder right on top, resting my head on the laying surface, and I'm just going to pivot around, moving around until I feel a sensitive area. So what I'm doing is a seek and destroy method. Once I find an area that's sensitive, to allow my body to sink into that ball. And once it becomes desensitized and it's easier to tolerate the load, then I can progress to find another area that's sensitive. Hold that position, do the exact same thing. The second method that I can do is more of the pin and stretch. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to find an area that's sensitive, and then I'm going to stretch out the tissue. So I'm going to take my hand, and I'm going to bend my fingers, bend my fist or my wrist, and then what I'm going to do is just bring my arm up a little bit. So I'm lifting my arm up off of the floor, and then hold that position, and then slowly reverse the steps. So I'm going to find an area again that's sensitive, hold it right there. I'm going to start to curl out my fingers, curl out my wrist, and then bring my whole arm, straightened arm, up off of the floor, and then hold that position. I'm using this hand to help reinforce it so I can hold it and bring it up so this arm can totally relax.